It spoke with truth and authority, and suddenly it was clear.